It's that perfect burst of sweet, chewy fun, a world of flavor wrapped in bright colors and endless bubbles. That's the magic of bubblegum, the treat that's been popping into hearts and mouths for nearly a century. When Walter Deemer accidentally invented this playful creation in 1928, little did he know it would become a symbol of joy, creativity, and the sound of popping joy. From the classic pink stick to bubble-filled tape, and even the sparkling sugar-coated spheres, bubblegum has been turning everyday moments into childhood memories. Today, it's not just a candy, it's a global tradition, offering every variety from sugar-free to the boldest fruity flavors. So come along and discover the secrets of the Bubblegum Factory as we unfold the sweet, chewy process behind this iconic treat, one bubble at a time. It's a fun-filled adventure that's bound to make you smile, just like the pop of a perfect bubble. Bubblegum has a long history that goes back to ancient times when people chewed tree saps. Early gum wasn't as sweet as today's, but was appreciated for its chewiness. Modern chewing gum started in the late 1800s, when John Curtis created the first gum sold in sticks, called State of Maine Pure Spruce Gum. Though it wasn't bubble gum, it helped shape the gum we know today. In 1869, Curtis made his gum, but it was more of a medicine than a treat. At the time, gum was sold for things like freshening breath or soothing sore throats. It wasn't until the early 1900s that gum became a popular snack. This was when gum shifted from being a medicine to something people enjoyed, with bubblegum becoming a big part of the candy boom. The big breakthrough came in the 1920s with Double Bubble. While it wasn't the first attempt at bubblegum, it was the first to succeed commercially. Walter Deemer and the Fleer Chewing Gum Company created the perfect formula, mixing a stretchy gum base with flavor and sweetness. This made a gum that could stretch and pop into big bubbles, a fun treat for kids and adults. Today, bubblegum is more than just candy. It's a part of pop culture, with bubbles being blown in movies and contests everywhere. Over time, the bubblegum market has grown, with the new flavors and types popping up. From gumballs to brands like Hubba Bubba and Big League Chew, bubblegum has become more than just chewing. It's an experience. But what is bubblegum made of, and how is it made in factories? Let's take a look at the production process. Every piece of bubblegum has a special mix of ingredients that give it its chewy, stretchy texture. The main ingredient is gum base, which is made from natural and synthetic rubber-like materials. These include resins, waxes, and elastomers, which give bubblegum its elasticity. This helps the gum stretch when blown into bubbles that can grow big without breaking. The mix of materials in the gum base makes sure the gum is both flexible and strong. The gum base doesn't have any flavor, so makers add sweeteners like sugar or corn syrup to give it its sweet taste. These sweeteners also make the gum easier to chew and improve the flavor. In sugar-free gum, sweeteners like xylitol are used instead, giving it a similar taste with fewer calories. These sweeteners can also help prevent tooth decay, making sugar-free bubblegum a popular choice for health-conscious people. Flavorings are an important part of bubblegum, giving it the fun, bold taste we love. While the classic bubblegum flavor is usually a mix of strawberry, vanilla, and other fruits, there are now many different flavors. Makers use natural and artificial flavoring oils to make the gum taste like everything from mint to tropical fruits. The goal is to create a flavor that stays enjoyable while chewing. Bubblegum gets its bright colors from food dyes. While pink is the most common color, thanks to Double Bubble, bubblegum can come in many shades. These colors make the gum more fun and add to the overall experience. After all, bubblegum is about both fun and taste, and the color makes it even more appealing. Making bubblegum starts with heating the raw ingredients to create the gum base. These ingredients include resins, waxes, and rubbery substances that melt at high temperatures. Once the gum base is ready, it's mixed with sweeteners, softeners, and flavoring to make a smooth, chewy mix. Large machines stir everything together to make sure the gum is consistent in every batch. While mixing the gum base and other ingredients, the temperature is carefully controlled to keep the gum from getting too hard or too soft. The right texture is key to making it chewy. Once everything is mixed well, the mixture is rolled into flat sheets. This is where the gum's texture takes shape. The sheets are then cut into the right sizes, whether that's sticks of gum, gumballs, or small pellets. After the gum is shaped into slabs or sheets, it's cooled so it keeps its shape but stays flexible. Once cooled, it's stretched to improve the texture. This stretching helps mix the ingredients evenly and gives the gum the right elasticity for blowing bubbles. At this point, the gum is cut into smaller pieces, ready to be packaged or turned into gumballs. The final step is cutting the gum into different sizes, like sticks or gumballs. Machines make sure each piece is the same size and shape. For gumballs, the gum is rolled into perfect round shapes. Whether it's sticks or gumballs, this shaping process makes sure the gum is ready to enjoy. But making bubblegum isn't just about shaping. It also needs flavor and color to complete the experience. After the gum is shaped, it gets its final touches: flavor and color. A light dusting of powdered sugar or cornstarch is added to keep the pieces from sticking together. This helps keep the gum's texture and look while it's stored and packaged. The real magic happens when the gum is flavored and colored. Manufacturers use strong flavor oils to make sure every piece has the right taste. Flavor is added by spraying or soaking the gum, making sure it's evenly coated. This gives each piece a consistent taste. Depending on the flavor, natural or artificial ingredients are used to create everything from fruity to classic bubblegum flavors. Popular choices include strawberry, banana, and watermelon. But some brands also try fun flavors like cotton candy or bubblegum ice cream. Bubblegum is often colorful, making it more fun to eat. Makers use food coloring to dye the gum in bright colors like pink, blue, or yellow. The color is added by mixing it into the gum base or coating the gum at the end. This colorful touch not only looks good, but also adds to the experience of chewing the gum. After the gum is coated with flavor and color, it's left to dry so it can absorb the additives. This helps keep the flavor in and the gum soft and fresh. Once it's dry, the gum is ready to be packaged. The finished product looks good and tastes great. Now, let's move on to one of the best parts: blowing big, fun bubbles. When you first chew bubblegum, it's soft and flexible, but as you blow air into it, you'll see something fun. The gum starts to stretch. This happens because bubblegum has special elasticity. The gum's base is made of rubbery materials that allow it to stretch when air is blown into it, forming a bubble. The gum's ability to stretch depends on having the right mix of ingredients in the base. Some gum bases are better for blowing big bubbles than others. For example, gum bases with more elastomers, like synthetic rubbers, stretch more and can make bigger bubbles. Bases with more resin create a firmer gum that doesn't stretch as easily. Manufacturers carefully pick the right mix of ingredients to make sure the gum stretches well and forms big bubbles without snapping back too quickly. Bubble size also depends on how you blow air into the gum. Blowing too hard or too fast can make the gum break, but blowing slowly and steadily helps the bubble grow bigger. The gum's texture matters too. Gum that's too soft won't hold a large bubble, while gum that's too firm won't stretch enough. Finding the right balance of air pressure, gum texture, and stretchiness is what creates that satisfying pop when the bubble bursts. Bubble blowing contests and tricks are a big part of bubblegum culture. Whether it's blowing the biggest bubble or popping it with a snap, these activities show how fun bubblegum can be. The stretchy, elastic nature of bubblegum lets people get creative, which is why it's still such a popular treat around the world. Once the bubblegum is shaped, flavored, and dried, it's ready for packaging. This step keeps the gum fresh and makes it look good to buyers. In big factories, machines handle the packaging. The gum can be wrapped individually or packed in bulk, depending on the type. Gum sticks are usually wrapped in foil or wax paper, and gumballs are often packed in plastic containers or resealable bags. The packaging process is fast and efficient. Machines quickly place the gum into its packaging and seal it to keep it fresh. For gumballs, they are placed into clear plastic bags or bulk bins and prepared for shipping to stores. Packaging is important for making bubblegum look appealing, with bright colors, fun logos, and playful designs that attract both kids and adults. The packaging of bubblegum is just as important as its flavor and texture. Many brands create fun packaging that stands out on store shelves. Whether it's a character design or a retro look, packaging shows how playful bubblegum is. Brands also use packaging to promote new flavors or limited edition versions, making each release feel special. Packaging not only looks good, but also protects the gum. It keeps the gum safe from moisture and air, which can affect its quality. Whether it's a stick of gum or a bag of gumballs, the gum is carefully packaged to stay fresh. Now, let's talk about one more important part of bubblegum: additives and preservatives. Like many foods, bubblegum has additives and preservatives to keep it fresh longer and maintain its flavor. While the gum base stays stable, preservatives like BHT are added to stop the gum from going stale too quickly. This helps the gum stay fresh until it's used. Manufacturers also add softeners and stabilizers to keep the gum chewy. These ingredients stop the gum from hardening and help it stay stretchy. Glycerin, a common softener, keeps the gum from drying out. Without these additives, the gum would become tough and lose its taste. Many brands use sweeteners like xylitol in sugar-free bubblegum to give it a similar taste without the sugar. This helps lower calorie intake and also benefits dental health. Xylitol can help prevent cavities by neutralizing acids in the mouth. As more people become health conscious, sugar-free gum has become more popular, allowing them to enjoy blowing bubbles without the extra sugar. Preservatives help bubblegum stay fresh for longer, so it doesn't lose quality over time. This is important for manufacturers who make a lot of gum that needs to be stored and shipped before it reaches customers. Thanks to these additives, bubblegum stays fresh and tasty until you get it. Bubblegum has remained a favorite treat for many generations. Its success comes from its sweet taste, stretchy texture, and fun nature, as well as its ability to adapt to new trends. The simple act of chewing, blowing bubbles, and enjoying the flavor appeals to both kids and adults. Whether in a classroom, on a road trip, or as a nostalgic treat, bubblegum brings a moment of fun. What sets bubblegum apart is its constant change and improvement. From sugar-free options to new flavors, bubblegum makers keep consumers interested by staying ahead of trends. Trying new flavors and limited edition releases keep it fresh and exciting. Its place in pop culture, from bubble-blowing contests to movies and commercials, has made bubblegum a symbol of fun and energy. Bubblegum keeps its popularity because it appeals to everyone. For kids, it's a fun and cheap treat, while adults often remember childhood memories when they chew it. With new flavors, packaging, and fun ways to enjoy it, bubblegum will always stay popular. Whether it's for the chew or the bubbles, bubblegum still has strong appeal. Now that you've got the inside scoop on bubblegum, we've got to ask, what's your go-to flavor when it comes to popping a fresh piece of gum? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more sweet content. See you next time.